Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I will show you how to make mittens for little baby for 0 to 3 months. So I am using 3 mm needle. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, chain 3 and make in the last one slip stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and make 10 double crochet in the ring, including this 3 chain with double crochet. Then we have 10 with including this. So I will make 9 double crochet and 10 is this one. Two, 3, 4. So my 10 is completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now make a slip stitch in the third chain. Now chain 2 and make double crochet in the next chain 2 times. 2 double crochet in the next chain. Now make twice double crochet in every stitch till to the end. Now make a slip stitch 1, 2 and this is third. So now make 2 chain 1, 2 and make in the same 1 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet, and in the third one make 2 double crochet. So make 1 double crochet in 2 stitches, and in third one make 2 double crochet. Now this is my third one, so I will make 2 double crochet. So do it till to the end. Now I did 2 stitches, 1 double crochet, and in the third stitch make 2 double crochet. 1 double crochet in the 2 and in the third make 2 double crochet. Now I will make chain 2 and now I will make double crochet in every stitch till to the end for 3 times. So I will have 8 rows. So let's start. Double crochet in every each stitch. Now I have done my 7th row. Now I will chain 2, chain 1 and half double crochet in the next stitch and chain 1, skip 1 stitch, in the next make half double crochet, in the next make half double crochet. Now chain 1, skip this one and chain half double crochet in the next. So chain 1, skip, and in 2 stitches make half double crochet. This is our 8th row. Skip, skip, chain 1, skip and make 2 half double crochet in 2 stitches. This is very easy pattern for mitten. So in the second one make half a slip stitch. Now we have like this. Now chain 1 and make half double crochet in the next stitch and in the middle, here and here, this one, half double crochet. So complete it to the end. Now I completed. Now again I will make chain 1 and skip 2, and in the third one make 5 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now skip 2, in the third one make single crochet, again skip 2 and in the third make 5 double crochet. Now again skip 2, in the third one make, it will look like this. Very easy pattern, very beautiful when you put it on the baby's hand. Cozy little mittens. Look very cute in the baby's hand. Skip 2, crochet single crochet, again skip 2 and make 5 double crochet in the third one. Now this is the end. Make a slip stitch, cut the yarn and make it tight. Now chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now it is small, make 25, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Now it's okay. I will chain 5 more. Now cut the yarn and make it tight. You can put a bead in the ends or a flower, little flower, or a pom-pom. It's up to you. So you insert it in every mitten is ready. I put the strap in the hole of it, and you can squeeze it with it like this. So I hope you like my channel. Please subscribe and like it. We will meet in another video inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.